You'll find inside the box 3 fixtures, a tri-plug that connects them together to the long cable, to the transformer, and 3 mounting brackets and hardware. The most time-consuming part is mounting the brackets to the fixtures. There are 2 holes next to each other. These will be mounted to the float. The all-alone hole in the brackets for mounting the fixture to the bracket. First, turn your float upside down and mount the float brackets. On the underside of the float, you will find 6 screws with rubber washers underneath. Remove each screw. If you have an old float, only 3 screws are used. The screw size, by the way, is M8 by 1.25 by 10 millimeter. Stainless steel, of course. Place the hex screws through the float bracket. To make it easier, I suggest next pushing up the stainless steel and rubber washers. The rubber washers must stay on the bottom. So, I would just suggest, to make it easiest, put them on now. You can then mount each float bracket plate. You will then need to mount the fixtures to the bracket plates. The process is the same for non-remote control unit fixtures and the remote control fixtures. It's just that 2 of the remote control fixtures have 2 wires leading out instead of 1 wire. I'd loosen the screws of the fixtures slightly, the U-shaped part of the fixture, so that you can adjust angle of each fixture. It'll make it easier for installation. Then I suggest you put the hex cap on the top right here with the washer if desired. It's not really needed. Then you're going to mount the fixture and screw in the nut finger tight. As you can see, if you angle the unit, you'll have a lot easier tightening of the nut. You can then tighten using the hex key wrench and a pair of pliers for the nut or a 10 millimeter wrench. You have a very tight fixture, and you can adjust the angles by turning the screw on either side of the U-shaped bracket.